Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the ambassador as well as brand of respective products. Here we can see there are various brands and products, and we should remember that whoever the brand will be, whatever the brands we have, the ambassadors will be representing those by giving the advertisements, and they are the responsible guys. In the case of any kind of, we have seen recently the Coca-Cola, there was some small problem in Coca-Cola, and the brand ambassador was Amir Khan, and he has personally gone and scrutinized it, and he has again told ki it was okay with the brand. So overall, the responsibility that will also lie with the representative, whoever is the brand ambassador is there, as well as with the company. So they take only with those companies, and if they are okay with that, then only they start branding you. So here, as you can see, Head and Shoulder, Ranbir, as well as here we have Akshay Kumar with the Rasna. So there are various brands. As you can see how exactly Saurav Ganguly, every player, every actor, they start promoting the respective brands. If we take initially, here we have Bengal Pearls, Polycrol, IOA, Indian Olympic Association Goodwill Ambassadors. Saurav Ganguly had been chosen. Even the Class Plus coaching app also, it has been given by Saurav Ganguly. When it comes to Vedantu, we knew that Vedantu, it's an education online tutoring. So this has been given branding by the Amir Khan. If we take Vega Man, Oakley Spectacles, Noise earphones, and IIFL, as well as Crick Kingdom. So these are all, you can see Rohit Sharma is the brand ambassador. So here you see Vega company makes trimmer. When it comes to the Philip, recently you can see Philip trimmer has been branded by the Virat Kohli. Here we have Parle Agro, TIFF, that is Toronto Film Festival, and UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. So Priyanka Chopra was the brand ambassador for this, as well as Assam Tourism also, she personally branded as ambassador. So next we have Sports Adda. So Brett Lee had taken over as a brand ambassador of Sports Adda, and they can see how exactly pedigree also he had given. Every person has got various types of branding products. So I have given few which are important. We knew Harbhajan Singh, he recently adopted as a e-bike Go brand ambassador. If we take Kia Motors, we are aware that Kia Motors, I want you guys to comment me in the section, Kia Motors belongs to which nation? And Rafael Nadal, he is a good sports person, and he is a master in clay court, and he is the tennis player. So he was a brand ambassador, recently has taken over. Next we have Skill India. So Priyanka Chopra is also the brand ambassador for Skill India. If we take Tribes India as well as BSNL, so Mary Kom, she is a boxer, and I want you guys to comment me in the section, she how many won world championship, how many world championships was won by MC Mary Kom? She belongs to which state? That also you guys to comment me in the section. Next we have La Liga, that is Spanish. This is one thing, La Liga Spanish, this has been branded by the Rohit Sharma. He was the brand ambassador, recently has taken over. And if we say Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he is the most valuable player by branding. As you can see, Poker Stars, Cars 24, Red Bus, Sonata, and Indigo. These are the few, and Snickers also you can see, he is the brand ambassador for various products. The maximum branding be done by this MS Dhoni. Next we say Govinda, we are aware. Govinda, he was a great actor and one of the best dancer in the Bollywood. He recently branded for the Madhya Pradesh. So next if we take here road safety awareness program as well as tractor company, that is STAFE, and Akshay Kumar as had shown Rasna also the brand ambassador for these products, and he don't take those products in which he feels like which is of negative nature like smoking, cigarettes and tobacco. He don't go for those. Ranveer Singh is the husband of Deepika Padukone, and he is the brand ambassador for Head and Shoulder, Dish TV as well as JBL Music Company and Astral Pipe. So you have to remember respective brand ambassadors for the various company. If we come to the Virat Kohli, he is one of the most paid and one of the best batsmen. Google Dio, Punjab National Bank, and there is a 5G mobile company. It named IQOO. So this is as well as Blue Star, Uber India, American Tourister, Myntra. We knew that along with the Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli, both together Myntra's brand ambassador. So we have to remember this. If it comes to the CRPF anti-corruption helpline of Andhra Pradesh concerning BWF as well as Visa. Recently she was the brand ambassador for Visa also. She is PV Sindhu. Amir Khan and Alia Bhatt, these two are the brand ambassador for the PhonePe, one of the most online transaction one for this brand ambassador is Amir Khan as well as Alia Bhatt. If we say ICICI Bank, this is what exactly we have to remember. Shah Rukh Khan is the one who is the brand ambassador for ICICI Bank, Byju's, Hyundai as well as Kent. Here we have various branding products. If we take Indian Army, we knew that he is in Lieutenant Colonel rank, that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is a Dream 11 as well as Indian Army's brand ambassador. If we say JSW Steel, we should remember Rishabh Pant. He is the guy who is the brand ambassador for the JSW Steel. If it comes to Titan Spectacles, we are aware that these Titan Specs are as well as Peter England. This is the ambassador is Ayushmann Khurrana, who is the best Bollywood actor of Vicky Donor, one of the successful movie. If we say Incredible India, it's a tourism related. This Incredible India is branded by the Narendra Modi ji. If we have the GST here, goods and services tax as well as IDFC First Bank, DD Kisan, Pulse Polio, all these brandings are done by the Navratna Tel as well. That is by Amitabh Bachchan. So please remember Navratna Tel, that will be asked in exams. Here we have the road safety concerning. Nitin Gadkari is the one who given these kind of advertisements regarding road safety. So he is the brand ambassador for Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. If we say Melange by Lifestyle, this is one thing you have to remember. She is the wife of Ranveer Singh. Here Jaguar Group as well as Melange by Lifestyle, she is the brand ambassador for this. If we say Arogya Setu app, we are aware that this Arogya Setu app is the one which is the helpful app for the COVID-19 situation time. So this is branded by the Ajay Devgan. So you can see along with his wife Kajal. Next we have Adidas company. This Adidas company is branded by the Manushi Chiller. Please remember. If we say Gargo International is one of the Sonu Sood is the brand ambassador for Gargo International as well as Adrol Engine Oil. You can see here how exactly he has given the branding of this Gargo International and Adrol Engine Oil. Sonu Sood, one of the best during the time of COVID-19, he helped a lot. UN COVID-19A, Tanishka Anand, she is the brand ambassador for UN COVID-19A. So she is also one of the brand ambassador for this. If we say Make in India, we should remember that Pyros Kambatta is the one who is the brand ambassador for the Make in India brand. Here Pyros Kambatta, please remember. When it comes to Navratna Tel, I had already told Navratna Tel before it was like Amitabh Bachchan. Now as you can see Salman Khan, and he also endorsed Do the Dew, Revital and Thumbs Up. Please remember Revital Salman Khan. One of the important ad you will be shown in the TV Revital for the energy purpose. Anchor Innovation. This is one brand. It is branded by the Saina Nehwal. She is a tennis sports player. Sorry, badminton player. Anchor Innovation. Saina Nehwal is Sania Mirza is tennis one. Saina Nehwal is badminton. Tropicana. We are aware that this is one of the healthy drink. This is branded by the Katrina Kaif. And we have the last, that is Gatorade, as well as Assam State Sports Ambassador. She recently got the promotion of DSP rank in the state of Assam, and she is Dhing Express. Her name is Hima Das. If we have in Haryana, brand ambassador as well as Yoga and Ayurveda brand ambassador is Baba Ramdev. These are the few personalities and well as brands have been given. So maximum information have been compiled from various sources. I hope this video is helpful for you. I want you guys to share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.